Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to integrate an autoresponder or email service provider to our WarriorPlus account so that we can use it in our JV page as well as in our product in order to add individuals to our email marketing list. And to do that, we're going to go inside of our profile, and we can find it by going to My Account. Once you do that, you're going to click on Integrations. What you're then going to do is click New Service. And you're going to see a number of autoresponders available for you to integrate directly to your WarriorPlus account. And you'll need to choose your integration, and each integration is going to work in a different manner. Now, once you've completed the integration, it will be visible here in this Service Integrations area. That means then that it will be available to you when you want to connect it to your affiliate page or you want to connect it to your product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.